Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a real powerhouse, the 2024 Ram 1500 TRX, and guess what? This is its final year. Ram is pulling out all the stops with a special final edition, so buckle up as we explore why this truck might be the ultimate off-road companion. The powerhouse performance. The TRX isn't your average truck. It boasts a monstrous 6.2 liters supercharged HEMI-registered V8 engine, churning out a best-in-class 702 horsepower and insane torque. That translates to raw power that can tackle any challenge you throw at it. But it's not just about brute force. The TRX is built to handle that power. The high-performance suspension and beefy tires ensure you stay planted and in control, even on the most unforgiving terrain. Let's not forget the high torque capacity TorqueFlite A-registered 8-speed automatic transmission. This smooth operator seamlessly transfers all that power to the wheels, making the driving experience exhilarating. Since this is the TRX's final year, Ram is giving it a proper send-off with the exclusive final edition. What makes it special? Eye-catching colors. Choose from 3 unique hues: Delmonico Red, Night Edge Blue, and Harvest Sunrise, to make a statement wherever you go. Rugged good looks, satin titanium B-lock capable wheels and a special bedside graphic add a touch of aggressive style. Premium touches inside. The TRX pampers you with patina contrast stitching with TRX embroidery and a special final edition emblem on the gauge cluster. More than just muscle. The TRX might be a beast, but it doesn't compromise on comfort or functionality. The interior is spacious and luxurious, with all the tech features you need to stay connected and entertained. Let's talk about some of the available goodies. A massive touchscreen infotainment system, premium sound system, heated and ventilated seats, advanced driver assistance systems for added safety on the road. If you're looking for the ultimate off-road companion and have the means to grab one, then the 2024 Ram 1500 TRX Final Edition might be your perfect match. Thanks for joining us on this look at the incredible Ram 1500 TRX. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this beast of a truck, and if you'd consider owning one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Until next time, take care.